Welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the Holy Rebbe Elimelech from Lezhensk in the sacred Hasidic volume Noam Elimelech. This week's Parshas Bo. We read in the book of Exodus, in order that you should tell into the ears of thy son. It is that when the divine source of blessing and his mercy, when God in his mercy and his compassion performs a miracle for the Israelites, for the Jewish people, he does it one time, and he takes revenge against their enemies. Then that mercy is aroused, and it can accomplish things even in the future in every generation. When the Israelites need to take revenge against some enemy, standing against them, who's standing against them to make difficulty with the yoke of some kind of a government position or a king, as a Kadosh Baruch Hu is in the Koma boy. Then God makes revenge against him, because this type of mercy was already aroused in a similar fashion, in a similar archetype. This is what it means, in order that you should tell over into the ears of thy son all that I was elevated and I was made joyful in Egypt. When you tell this story to Orois Merachimim, then that same attribute of mercy, that same archetype is aroused, and that archetype is awakened. And then there's mercy against all your enemies, that they're not able to bother you at all. We should understand, and that's why we tell these stories again every year. Passover, we read the Haggadah, Purim, we read the Megillah. It arouses those same archetypes in order to bring God's mercy into this world, just as it was in that time and that season, because history is cyclical, and so therefore we're able to arouse that same mercy time and time again every year. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.